Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the case and earbuds have charge. This prevents false troubleshooting. Open the charging case and leave the earbuds inside so they can wake and advertise their signal. If your phone or tablet is nearby, it will usually show a pairing card automatically. This speeds setup. If nothing appears, press and hold the small button on the back of the case for a couple of seconds to force the power/pairing broadcast and keep the case open. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device so it can detect the Powerbeats Pro. You'll see them listed as Powerbeats Pro or similar. Tap that entry to pair. If the earbuds were powered down, simply remove them from the case and they will power on automatically and try to connect. If automatic connection fails, put them back, close the lid for 5 seconds, then reopen and remove them again to restart the handshake and ensure a clean connection. To finish, verify sound by playing audio. Confirm both left and right earbuds produce audio and that volume or inline controls respond. If only one side works or pairing repeatedly fails, perform a reset. With the case open, press and hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED blinks, then repair. If you suspect low battery, charge the case for 15 to 20 minutes to get enough power for basic audio.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.